Like some of you already had some contacts and association with sir and Siri ma'am, but for me it was totally a new experience. So always used to get so inspired watching these coaches online, their videos or these mentors speaking, and transforming life. And it used to make me feel, I had this urge in me that I want to be like these people. I used to dream that I am also speaking in TEDx. I tell my friends, that is something I want to do. And the kind of job I am in, that is also somewhere it has driven me to touch the lives of people and bring some positive change in them. So that somehow then I started researching about it. It's been like 4-5 months only when I actually thought seriously, okay, let me think of doing this, let me think of learning it. And then I started researching. First I started searching, different things, and this came, Alpha Star came in front of me. I'm a person who does research, like, so I saw the website, I saw everything. But there were many results there on Google, but you have this intuition, no, that you feel, you get that thing that, time and again, even after 10 times I checked other websites also, I was coming back to this Alpha Star website. I don't know why. That maybe that spiritual part which was there, that attracted me so much. And because of that, I signed up for this. I said that I confirmed that I want to be, then I had such a nice conversation with Prosperity. She explained me so many things. She actually cleared the misconception that I had, that counseling, mentoring, coaching, they're all the same thing. That was an eye opener for me. Actually, I thought these are all the same things. And that really made me believe in this coaching process a lot, because and that's what I tell everybody, that it makes you self-sustainable. The most beautiful thing about coaching is you would not be dependent on other people, because I always have told my students or everybody, and I believe that self motivation is the best motivation. Nobody has the time, patience to come and give you motivation at every point of time of life. You have to build in you. And then I always used to question myself that not every time we can be so positive, that we can self motivate ourselves. I mean, we face problems in life, we face debacles. How can we do it? But the kind of tools and the kind of the way this entire program is, all the tools are designed, because I'm good at observing. When I observe people, I also observe their pupils dilating or contracting when I have to learn from somebody. That was the first time, you remember, Satsa, that when we had that, you asked me what is your observation in that, you had the PPT, and I had 3 pages written where I told word by word. So that's in me. So I see the logic. I kept looking at each tool with the logic behind it, and I felt, this is something which will keep that fire inside you of self motivation ignited every time. I mean, I am such a lazy person in this lockdown. I had been procrastinating so many things that I'll do it. But when I tried with Ritu, and that gave me that, sense of motivation. Now I'm so regular in posting content on my page, and many things I have become consistent, so I can see the change in myself. And the most important thing, overcoming the fear of taking risks. I have got such a big belief in this thing. For me, it is a big step by, because we are a family of service class people. For getting into a business itself or starting something of my own itself is a big decision, and being a female, it is even tougher. You can see that. So the entire session has made me believe that I can do it. So that's completely, a transformation that has come in me. And but when I talk about the coaches, I'm so happy. The way you have so much patience when we are not able to answer correctly. We you can keep asking the question with us. There's always a smile on your face, sir and Siri ma'am. And like, I'm completely in awe with the way you people teach, and I feel that I should get a chance to have a in person, coaching session with you people, so that I can see, observe your pupils dilating and contracting also, and learn even more from that. And I I feel that the kind of people, the batchmates, we are so different people, and there is so much to learn from everybody. I'll mention this thing when I had a session with Anish. Okay, so I got into inferiority complex. The moment that session got over, I called my best friend and I said, I feel he's so good at it, and he was so smooth at doing it, and I started introspecting that what is wrong with me that I'm not so smooth. So then I thought that the inbuilt fear that I have, that what if the tool goes wrong, what if it does not happen. So the next day when I tried with Ritika today, I kept that thought of Anish's way of doing it in my mind, and I enjoyed and I did it, and I was so happy. That's why I told Siri, don't stop, it's going very well. So so it's so much to learn from everybody, and I think we are not only batchmates, we are actually getting friendships for life. I've become friends with Ritu, Martha, Divya, and even Nanda ji, and I feel everybody will become friends for life. And yeah, that's it. Thank you.